Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Paul, and today's video, we're finally getting rid of the old Adventure Kings rooftop tent, replacing it with this brand new 23Zero rooftop tent. Gonna run through the installation of that, and then we'll just do a quick walk around and my first impressions. In a couple of weeks time, once I've had a chance to use it, I'll do a review on it. What do you guys think of the new jumper? I'm loving it. Alright, let's get to it. Before we can take off the Adventure Kings rooftop tent, we've got to undo these 8 nuts. I've got the bolts coming straight through either side of the support bars coming across the canopy here. And then I've got a little plate going across the support bar, and the nuts go over the plate and it sandwiches it between the support bar. So same as you would as a roof rack. Now that we've got it unbolted, this is probably the hardest bit. You'll need at least 2 people, or probably 4 is even better. But I've only got my son at the moment. Ben, say hi.
Hi guys.
He's going to go to the other side, and we're going to try and attempt to lift off with 2 people. So there we go.
Whoa.
Lift up high. That's not light, Ben. Come on, use those muscles.
How do we get Corey?
Can't you do it?
No.
Ah. Well, Ben tried, but it's not as strong as he thought he was, so I've had to go inside and grab Corey. Let's see if the 2 of them get it off. They're really not light. You're looking about 70 kilos. Ready, boys? Lift up and over the roof, so don't scratch. That's it. Down and around here. That's better. Rightio, we'll start off by undo the buckles, open it up and find the instructions. I don't usually go by instructions, but I'm doing a proper video on it. I suppose I better do it the right way. Already I found this plastic that they use for packing that you're supposed to tear off. Quite annoying. It comes off easy in the middle, but they've tucked it under all the rivets in the framework, so it's very hard. It just rips and just stays under the framework, so it's going to take me quite a while to get it all out from around the frame. Very nice. Alright, so I've just emptied everything out from the inside and I'm already impressed. You get your nice cover here. They give you a nice little mat. The ladder, which I'm really looking forward to testing out. Your poles for your windows. And I thought this was a really great idea. They give you a full tool bag where everything is already individually wrapped up, ready to install. Much better than the Kings already. Once you've got everything out of it, you want to fold it back over again with the 4 pre-drilled holes facing upwards. Grab your 2 rails, you'll see there's 2 holes in the rails. Now don't worry, you can only go across one way. If you put it that way, it's too long, whereas that way is right. So what you want to do, they'll give you 4 big M6 bolts and nuts with oversized washers. You want to grab these ones, lift the inside up, go underneath the mattress and push it straight through if you can find the hole. There you go. That's it. Then what you want to do is feed the nut into the rail until it meets up with the hole. Not working for me. I should have brought a little screwdriver or something out. Nearly there. That's it. Place that over it. Put your hand back under and do that up and continue that for the other 3. Right, now that the 4 bolts are done up and the bars are nice and even at both ends, we can flip it back over again and start the ladder. on the top of the rooftop tent, you'll find 4 pre-drilled holes. You're going to grab your ladder bracket like that, put it over the hole, grab your 2 M6 bolts with 2 washers and a nylock nut. Take one of the bolts and washers, go from underneath, straight through, and then your washer and nut. Now you want to lay down the ladder, so these little rubber feet are touching the base. That fits between these 2 feet here. Now you want to get a little M6 bolt and a washer, and there's a little rubber washer they give you. That goes between the mount and the ladder rack. Just put that between that, and through there, and the other washer and bolt, nut. Now we're just about ready to mount it, but what we want to do first, grab your bolts with the little brackets in it, and what you want to do, let that fall down, let the bolt fall into that little bracket there, it locks into place, and then simply slide the bracket into the rail. Do that at 4 points on each rail. Now that all 8 are on there loosely, we're ready to flip it over and lift it up. Now this is the part where you have to consider which direction you're going to mount it. Now my rooftop tent opens backwards over my canopy, so the ladder here I want to be at the front, so that when I pull up, this comes down and then it's at the back there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, lift boys. Up we go. Don't drag it. Come back a bit. Yep, that'll really, I'll line it up from there. Thanks boys. All I'm doing at the moment is lining up all 8 bolts with the holes and then just centralising it while it's loose so you get it nice and even. Then put the 4 mounting brackets in underneath, and then the washers and nuts just like before. Now that's all bolted down, time to get the fluids up, and then we'll open it up and see how easy it is to set up. I can already see one thing that's different. On the King's one, I can grab the ladder and pull it out. I might have to lock the ladder up back here instead of all the way in, because at the moment I can't reach the ladder to pull it out. Let's put this out. Oh. Right, that got it. Alright, I'll quickly set it up. These poles for the windows, I've got to say they look a lot nicer than the Adventure Kings ones do. Let's try it out. One of the holes. Beautiful. I do like the full size window in these compared to the Adventure Kings tent. So it's all set up now. Let's show you why I decided on this awesome rooftop tent. Check up here, black lining, meaning inside is going to be pitch black. Let's jump up and have a look. So I'm laying in there now with the skylight open a little bit. All the windows are shut at the moment. But let's shut this skylight and see what happens. I'll grab the camera now and move it around, and there is only a couple spots where light gets in. It is absolutely pitch black in here, and it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Meaning you can sleep in as late as you want. This is fantastic. I love it. One thing I've noticed already, would have been nice if they put 2 bits of fabric over those corner pieces just to block out the last little bit of light and keep bugs out at night time if you do have a light on inside. Right, let's see how easy it packs away. Should be enough ladder up. Let's give it a try. Might need to fold in one more to the ladder rails. Once it's folded back over and you've done 2 side straps up, there's also a 3rd strap that goes over top of the ladder. That's done up as well. Then you've got your bag, find your little truck here and slide it into the rail. Just like a King's one. But this bag already feels a lot better quality. And we'll throw it over. Yeah, no, this feels much more softer. I don't think this is going to wear away like the King's one did. And simply do up the strap that goes the whole way around the bag. Your Velcro there. And then you have 2 straps up the top that you just strap through here and it's done. Well, that's it guys, it's that simple. If you've got any more questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Just thought I'd show you here in the instructions. As you can see, just in case you're confused about how it would go over your roof racks, you can see your roof rack is here in the black, your channel on your rooftop tent is there, that goes across, and then your plate sandwiches between the roof rack. So it's that simple. Then you've got your nuts down the bottom, just tightens it and sandwiches it. Very basic. But yeah, any more questions guys, leave a comment, happy to answer. And like I said, in a couple more weeks time, once I get a chance to actually use this more, I'll do a full review on it, pros and cons, because I've already found a few cons I'll mention. So look forward to that guys, and I'll catch you on the next week. Cheers!